Hi everyone, it's our mailbox today. We will take a look at let's hope to find handheld consoles or some rare accessories. I think we have something in boxes. Right. Power link cable. Gameboy pocket protector. We have something else. Pulse back color. Okay. We still have something here. Yeah, we still have okay. White light source, extra long. Okay. And the power shield for the Game Boy Color. So in this mail we have 5 accessories. This one for the color and this one too. This one for the Game Boy Pocket. This one for the Game Boy Color too. And this one is for the Game Boy Pocket. Let's try each one. Let me bring my handheld consoles. Alright, some batteries. Okay. Let's start with this one. Let's open the box somehow. Yeah. That's it. Doesn't require any extra batteries. It's called Speed Link. I think it has some type of LED. Let's try to attach it. Okay. We have external link here and we have on and off button. Also we have this contrast adjustment wheel. I think it's for the LED here. Okay, let's insert some batteries. Turn on console and turn on this. Yeah, for sure we have a problem here. I think the battery is low, so let me bring another batteries. Okay, another 2 batteries. We still have this problem. Let's try to adjust this extra. Okay. Okay, I will turn off the light and see. Okay, it's really working. You see here, without light, it's working well, but it takes a lot of power. So I prefer to buy another rechargeable batteries to use this one. Okay. Now let's check this pocket protector. Okay, what we have here. Yeah. It's a rubber cover. It's called pocket protector. Let's check if it fits our Game Boy Pocket. Okay. It fits our Game Boy Pocket well, and we have some kind of strap. Yeah. For sure it will protect my Game Boy Pocket. Let's check the rest of incoming accessories. This power shield. Okay, it's sealed. Wow. It's sealed. Okay, I will keep it sealed. Let's try. this one. Sure, it requires external batteries. This is my Gameboy Color. Let's insert some batteries. And insert batteries for this too. Do we have this cover? I hope so. I hope we have this cover. Unfortunately, we don't. We don't have this cover. Yeah. Why? All right. I don't think it will be handy after this. Let's bring a cartridge for testing. Okay. Let's adjust the volume. It's not loud. I don't think it's worth buying. Let's check the console itself. It raises the voice a little bit. As you hear, we have a vibration motor in this accessory. It's a brand new. I don't have a reason for this missing cover. Okay, that's enough. It's really disappointing. We don't have the cover for this one. the last one. What we have here? We have more. Link cable for Game Boy Color connects to Game Boy Color or Game Boy Pocket. Also connectable to Game Boy Classic. Supports all Game Link compatible games. Okay. This connector for the Game Boy Color, I think. What? Doesn't fit. Let's check my Game Boy Pocket. Okay. It's a little bit bigger than the board. Let's check it again. Let's try it. I don't like to force it. Sorry about this. Yeah. Now we have it. Let's check if this one is suitable for our Game Boy Classic. Okay, we have Game Boy Classic here, and it's more suitable to Game Boy Classic. So that's all we have today. This 5 accessories, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Finally, this light for the Game Boy Advance. Alright, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.